Susan! Oh, you're a naughty girl today. Oh, Susan's naughty today. Hi everybody, Joni Marketplace Boutique. Today, one of us is naughty and one of us is nice. Hi everybody. So today, one of us is naughty and one of us is nice. Susan, are you the naughty one? I think I'm the nice one. Did you try to get into that advent calendar? So today is day 12. Susan tried to eat the candy. So let's see. You didn't do it, did you? Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you do that? Susan? Susan, did you do it? Susan? Okay, let's see. Where is number 12? I do not know. Oh, 10, 8, 12. Ooh. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at this little candy. Oh, no. Susan tried to eat these little guys earlier today. She actually opened a door all by herself. No! Ooh, I have a jewelry box and also some jewelry. This is really bad lighting. I guess you see how I really am. Ooh, look what I have. This came from a flea market and I bought this for $5. Let's see what's in here. I did take a peek and there wasn't much, so I think I'm going to open like a little bag of jewelry too, but look at this. Came from Preston. This one came from somebody who was clearing out estates. And I bought this for $5. I did negotiate. I negotiated down. I might not have been nice. Okay, so here we have this jewelry box here, and it says Preston on it. I thought that was interesting. So maybe this came from like a nursing home or something. I took a quick peek just to see what was kind of how many pieces there were. There's not a lot, and I haven't looked at it, so this will be fun for me. Oh, okay, so here we've got this. Oh, that's cool. It's like a stone. What is that? What in the world? Does anybody recognize what that would be? Let's see here. Maybe it'd help if I put a background on a little bit. Okay, does anybody know what this is? Oh, is this? I bet this is for this thing. There's like a rope down here, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this. What are these things called? A bolero, I think? This looks pretty old. And it's got some stones on the end, and those are definitely stones. This is a little bit sad looking, but look at this. This is super old. Yeah, I'll just sell it like it is. Definitely needs a different rope. And then this has a little chip on it. I might sell them all together. I might just put them together like that and sell that. And they'll sell pretty well usually. Let's see what else is in here. We got a little pin. Okay, what's this? Ooh, let's get our loop out. So I have this from Amazon. This works out pretty well. I gotta take my glasses off. Oh, look at this. This is a safe driving record. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see that real well. This is a safe driving record to P.A. Hicks, 1939. This is cool. Oh, this is old. Oh, look at that. Continual Company Safety Award. Oh. Well, that's interesting. Wow. So I wonder if there's 2 of them like that. Oh, this is cool. I've actually never seen anything like this. Have any of you seen anything like this? This is neat. To 1941 P.A. Hicks. Wow, this is kind of, this might be brass. I thought maybe it was gold, but I mean, it does look kind of gold. Could be a gold brass. I don't know. Is that, well, there's probably not such a thing. So this is definitely like a gold tone. Look at that. Ooh, that's really neat. Have any of you seen something like that? Oh, what's this? I got all this for $5. Oh, I negotiated. He wanted, I think, 18 a piece. I have very manly hands, so that's no wonder this fits me. What is this? What? Okay, I'm trying to figure this out. Oh, it's like a face? It looks like an onyx face. Okay, maybe I should put it on a different model. Oh no. Okay, so I have this little ring thing here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay, well, it's upside down. Ooh, this looks very Art Deco to me, like 1920s, I would say. That looks neat. It's like a face. The sides to me look very like 1900, 1920s, the Art Deco style. That's interesting. I've never seen anything like that either. What is this? Okay, this is definitely a, oh, is that like a wolf? That looks like a little wolf. And then here's the other side. This is definitely going to be a video of, what is this? Does anybody know? Is this like one of those bolero things again, maybe? I am not sure. If you know what this is, let me know. It looks like it's got some wear. Really interesting though. Real interesting. Okay, what else is in here? And when you get a jewelry box, just to let you know, check under these and check under all the drawers. Check in everything, because I have found like photographs stuck inside. I've found diamond rings. I am not kidding. Diamond rings. Okay, I can't see what I'm doing, so hopefully I don't stab myself with anything weird. Okay, here's some beads. What is this? What is this? Is that a diamond? What? What is that? Oh my goodness. Now this looks like a lapis ball. And this, I've got my Presidium tester out. It's kind of wrapped around my lights. Oh boy. What am I doing? Okay, let's try this out. See what this is. Okay. Too bad that thing is kind of hooked up in that wire there. Oh, this is definitely something. Now, I'm no pro at reading this, but this is coming under the jadeite, tourmaline, tanzanite, emerald, amethyst, like that kind of. So this is kind of falling under the tourmaline, emerald. I don't know if that makes sense. This is definitely a gemstone. Wow. That is cool. Okay, let's just try this again to make sure. Okay, so I'm gonna guess it's like like in the Tanzanite aquamarine family. Look at this. What? What in the world? Oh boy. I only paid $5 for this. That's amazing. Okay, here's another one of those little, these medals for good driving. Okay, so P.H. Hicks. So P.A. Hicks was a very good driver. Good job. Okay, let's see. I accidentally bumped my camera. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, what's this? Well, okay, so it's got a chip here, but this is another one of like a gemstone, and this is, I think, the same one. Look at this. These are the same. Oh, that's interesting. Very interesting, right? Oh, and we even have a toothpick. Yummy. Okay. Ow! Frick! Oh. Ow! Ouch! I was afraid of that, and I was being so careful. Oh, no. Ow. What else is in here? Oh, God, that hurt. That hurts so bad. I think I'm probably bleeding. That's awesome. Okay, I think there's some pins kind of stuck in there. I'm going to be very careful because I can't see what I'm doing. Yuck. Oh, man, that hurts. Okay, so... oh, boy. What is this? What is this? Let's see here. Always strange things in vintage. Okay, this is what stuck me, is a stupid pen, which I don't think I'm going to get out right now. So let's look at what else we got. This is a, let's go like this so we can see it better maybe. Ooh, what's this? What in the world is this? You know, I'm a little stumped as to what these things really are. Okay, so this looks like some kind of pin. It's on a pendant, so it's a pendant. Okay, it's a pendant, but then it's a pin on the other side, and it's got a hook in the front. Okay, everybody, this is the most weirdest box I've ever seen. What is that? Does anybody know what this is? Okay. I'm just going to come on here and ask questions today because I literally have no clue. This looks old. Look at that. That's cool. A little clasp. That's an older one. Okay, now some of these look like they're kind of gold. Like, let's zoom out a little bit here. Like this one, I'm going to test because it sure does. It's not magnetic. So I'm not sure what this is exactly. If you know, let me know. It looks like it had a gold tone necklace to it. So this, I mean, this chain, if I can get it apart, might be gold. Could be. It's very tiny, so it's probably not worth very much if it was. And the way this is, it might even be broken. So I just thought this was cool for $5. I mean, what do you think? So would you buy that for $5? I think it's kind of cool. What do you think? I think this is awesome. Okay, everybody, I hope you're having a good Christmas time. Well, Preston, this was a fun little find. Thank you for your jewelry box. So I might do another one for tomorrow when things are kind of slow. I actually love looking at the jewelry and going through it. So, and I have like a whole box to start sorting through. Now I've got a bunch of bags. Does anybody know who sent me this? I like to at least call out and leave like a who sent me this type thing. I'm thinking this might be Dawn's channel, or it might be Mr. Buys a Lot. I'm not sure. If you realize your handwriting, let me know, and so I can make sure to give you some credit when I'm doing these unboxings, because I definitely want to be able to share if I can. My channel's not very big, but if I can help people find stuff to sell on eBay and help other people's channels, that's great. So I think one of these might be my next ones. If you recognize these, let me know. Okay, everybody. Hope you have a great day. Bye.